Okay, so we are here doing an unboxing of the Acronym G14, Zephyrus G14. I haven't seen what's inside this box. It's going to be a treat, apparently, according to the people that are involved with this. So I am very much looking forward to it. So let's unbox this thing and see what is in store for the Acronym G14 project. Okie dokie. Wow, this is going to be very interesting. Laptop. And we have the accessories box. And I think that's going to be pretty self-explanatory. Yep, so power brick, which is quite significant. 180 watts. 180 watts. Not sure what's in there, but let's get to the juicy part. Open it upside down, why not? Okay. This stuff's interesting, to say the least. Okay, so we'll pocket at the back here. Ooh. Okay, so really nice and neat. Get a good shot on that. Really, really, really nice styling on the back and really nice on the front. And this is the first time I've actually held a G14, so the form factor is really nice. Oh wow, that's really cool. Wow, definitely screams Acronym. You can get those keys. It looks really, really cool. So this is the Acronym inspired G14. Yeah, really, really cool product. I think this is going to work extremely well with the target audience. But we'll do some B-roll of this thing to really display the design features and overall quality of this laptop. But on first impressions, it's really cool. Really, really like it. So I just can't get over the compact form factor of this thing. So yeah, really cool. Let's do some B-roll.